Hey, OT Literacy peeps. It's Miss P here with a little website that I want to show you. If you haven't heard of Donors Choose before, it's this organization where teachers can write grants and then people from the community or just around the country pay for it. And I ended up getting a Donors Choose funded for an unlimited audiobook subscription for every single one of you guys. So I'm going to show you where to go. So first thing you're going to do, is go to Tales2Go.com. Now, they have an app, which hasn't been approved for me yet, so I can't show you how to do the app. So we're just going to go online. So this is online. You're going to go to log in, and you're going to go to schools and students. And my password is this, but your password is going to be whatever it is your school online password. So it's like I can't remember whatever your name is. So Kpot, whatever my student ID is, that's going to be your login. Okay, that is not my login, so I'm going to use this one. The password is Eagles. It's different than mine, but so that's the password. Eagles, E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles, right? And then you're going to log in. Oh, forget it. Country, United States. I think you guys will have to do this too. Minnesota, school, Farnsworth. Now we can log in. So, when you get in, you can go to anything here. You can search for books if you want. But the best thing to do might be just to go to stories. And the stories, maybe characters and series. So you have all 39 clues. Alex Mercer thrillers, that looks good. So you can listen to any of these. So let's just click listen. And I don't know if it's going to...
Tantor Audio, a division of Recorded Books, presents Girl in Trouble by Stacy Claflin. Narrated by Rachel DeLude. Down. 1 year ago. The rickety wooden boat swayed slightly as the tall man sat, clutching the edge. He watched as the girl's body sank low.
Oh, that was a weird place to stop. All right, so yeah, you just press play and pause. If you want to go back 30 seconds because you missed a part, you can go back, or you can go forward, like you stop listening and you can't find the exact spot you're at or something like that. You can go forward. If you're listening to it, you can set it as a favorite, and then you can save the bookmark wherever you're at. So let's say you're at, 47 minutes. You can save the bookmark. This has 8 segments. So if I click segment 2, segment 3, so you can listen, and then you can listen to all these other books too. The Amateurs, I have this book, I should listen to that. Yeah, so that is Tales2Go, and you each get one. So if you have questions, you can email them to me, and that's it. So enjoy, guys. Find a book to read this weekend.